Assalamu alaikum, this is Sajjad Hossain Tony. Here, me and my group mates going to present our review paper, which actually based on e-data piracy. Honestly, I said honestly, after hearing the e-data piracy or saying e-data piracy, I always feeling goosebumps. I don't know why. Before more specification, I want to introduce e-data piracy. So, e-data piracy is what? E-data piracy is the illegal upload of digital copies of a copyrighted work to a website or download of such kind of materials. If we analyzed our background, it's like e-data piracy is a matter of concern of all of us. People became harassed in different sectors because of e-data piracy. This is why we actually worked on this topic. Thank you all. This is my part. Now I am inviting Sadia Sharing to continue our rest of the part.
Thank you, Ronnie. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sadia Shahrin. Now I am going to discuss about e-document piracy in different sectors which we affected. Piracy was characterized by Thomas in 1991 as the of crafted by a insured material having a place with another person and selling it without profiting or repaying the legitimate holder of the licensed innovation. Digitalization around the world have made things easier and most available. E-documentation is a vast area so that every sectors are affected with piracy. Some of them are piracy in book industry, piracy on the economy of any country, piracy on educational field, piracy in software industry, piracy in music industry, and so on. Now I am going to invite MD Abdullah R. Mamun for continuing our topic.
Okay, thank you. I am Abdul Mamun. My topic is about latest advancement about e-data piracy. E-data piracy is a rapidly even increasing problem of the present different communication industry. E-data piracy is the illegal copy and use of the communication industry in a way other than that is officially documented by exclusive rights of the developer in the form of an individual or organization as described in the relevant sale agreements. The technological contribute to the reduction of and e-data piracy not only involve implements of recent technological advance, but importantly the disseminations of the education required to apply current and future technologies, particularly in those states in the religious where piracy is rampant. There are two prongs to most legal actions take down notice to limit the ability of pirate e-data and lawsuits against infringers users using the e-data. Open so issues about e-data piracy. There are a few steps: low level of public awareness, high cost of cultural goods, high consumer demand for cultural products, sharing culture difficulty of access to Lignan's works. Thank you. I request my next teammate to continue this paper. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zainab Azad and I'm discussing about the significant remarks of our study. Digital piracy has gotten a lot of media hype recently as a growing risk to responsive industries. The monitoring of piracy is crucial in copyright protection systems. Instead of arguing if e-piracy is ethical or immoral, businesses should address challenges to recover some of the value lost to pirates. The punishment of e-piracy does not vary by age, educational background, income, or region. Anti-piracy advertising should notify consumers about a variety of legal solutions. However, the objectives of our study was to provide insights into e-piracy and its effects as a creative element in digital content industries. Hence, further study into the business was outside of our study. Thank you.